Welcome back friends, this is Current Affairs Funda, and guys, today we will discuss the MCQ set number 3 of topic will be computer fundamental and programming concepts. Okay, so before watching this video, I'll recommend you to subscribe this YouTube channel, that is Current Affairs Funda. And guys, if you subscribe this channel, then you will be directly notified from all the emails, and if I uploaded any video on our YouTube channel, then you will be directly notified. Okay, so let's start, and I'll solve the MCQs and I'll explain each and everything here. Okay, so keep write down and prepare notes side by side. See guys, this one your first question. Which generation of computer is still under development? Which generation of computer that is still under development? Option is 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. So guys, there are only 5th generations, that's why the answer will be B. 5th generation computers are under development. And what is the history about 5th generation? And today's computer fall under the 4th generation computer that uses the LSI VLSI integrated circuits. For 5th generation computer, it is expected for ultra large scale integrated circuit, that is ULSI. The study of using gallium arsenide instead of silicon chips is underway. Electrons can travel 5 times faster than gallium arsenide compared to the silicon. Similarly, genetically engineered protein molecules are being tried for processors. 5th generation computers are expected to have artificial intelligence, ability to use natural language. It's all about the 5th generation computer. Guys, content is really very important for you, because if you know the theory portion, then you can easily achieve the objective questions, because objective question is nothing else, they are compiled from the theory portion. You are getting me? Basically the questions are making from the theory portion, that's why I'm emphasized on the theory portion rather than objectives. Okay फ्रेंड्स, इस क्वेश्चन में बेसिकली पूछा गया है कि किस जनरेशन की कंप्यूटर में जो भी स्टिल अंडर डेवलपमेंट है। तो देखिए, 4th जनरेशन अभी करंटली चल रही है और 5th जनरेशन जो है हमारी वो आने वाली है। तो BLSI और LSI इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स जो है हमारे 4th जनरेशन में यूज़ होते हैं। 5th जनरेशन के लिए अल्ट्रा लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स यूज़ होते हैं, और जो गैलियम आर्सेनाइड यूज़ हो रहा है सिलिकॉन चिप्स की जगह पर, बिकॉज इसमें क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो होते हैं वो हमारे 5 टाइम्स ज़्यादा तेज़ रन कर सकते हैं। अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ज़्यादा तेज़ हमारे मूव कर सकते हैं तो हम इस ऑपरेशन को परफॉर्म करेंगे अपने प्रोसेसर्स के ऊपर, जिससे प्रोसेसर की स्पीड बहुत तेज़ होगी। 5th जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू हैव आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, दैट मीन्स दे कैन थिंक अबाउट ओके एबिलिटी टू यूज़ नेचुरल लैंग्वेज। ओके, वो काफ़ी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा परफॉर्म करेंगे। नाउ गाइस, लेट्स मूव फॉर प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2, दैट इज हियर। सी, artificial intelligence is associated with which generation? Basically artificial intelligence is related with 5th generation. Okay, and it's all about the artificial intelligence, then you should know about it. Okay, so guys, if you are strong in theory portion, then you can solve any MCQs. Okay, and if you are solving only MCQs, then you will never benefit in theory portion, because you don't know the ABCD of theory portion, then how can you solve the problems of MCQ section? Think about it. That's why I'm telling you to emphasize on theory portion rather than solving the MCQs. I'll definitely give you idea about how the questions are asked in exams. That's why I'm making such kind of PPTs for you. ओके देखिए फ्रेंड्स, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस किस जनरेशन से एसोसिएट होता है, ये हमने अभी आपको पीछे बताया 5th जनरेशन से होता है। तो करना क्या है आपको, 5th जनरेशन अगर आपको पता है, उसकी थ्योरी पोर्शन पता है, तो आप इजीली कर सकते हैं, यही तरीका है। ओके सी नेक्स्ट, Problem number 3. Which operation is not performed by the computer? Basically, computer is inputting, processing, controlling, and computer can't understand. This thing will be possible in fifth generation because artificial intelligence will be added. Extra segment will add in fifth generation. That will be that computer will understand all the things. Okay, so guys, the correct answer, that is understanding. Explanation: computers cannot understand since they don't have a intelligence. They don't, their IQ, that is 0. If anyone is asking what is the IQ of computer, that will be 0. Okay, and friends, see, let's hope fifth generation they will be achieve artificial intelligence and will be able to understand. And now guys, let's move for next problem, that is problem number 4. See, basically problem number 4, that is asking like fifth generation computer is also known as, basically this quiz definitely based on the generations, computer generations. Okay, that's why I'm emphasizing on generations. Fifth generation computer is also known as knowledge information processing system, very large scale integration, BLSI, both of above, none of the above. Basically fifth generation is totally based on knowledge information processing system, that means artificial intelligence. Okay, and theory part, that will be that will be your answer. And explanation: fifth generation computers will have artificial intelligence and will be able to understand, making knowledge information processing system possible. And guys, this will be very interesting things if it comes in the upper generation. Okay, see friends, हमें ये पता करना है कि फिफ्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स बेसिकली किस लिए जाना जाता है, तो वहाँ पर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के लिए जाना जाता है, यही हमने इस पूरे क्वेश्चन में बताया. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5. सी, problem number 5, basically central processing unit is a combination of, basically you know very well, CPU, that is a combination of control unit plus ALU. This is your arithmetic logic unit. It performs basically your all the operations, and control unit basically controls. Okay, that's why CPU is a combination of CU plus ALU. Okay, see guys, control and storage, this one not possible. Control and output unit, this one not possible. Arithmetic logic and input unit, this was not possible. So D, that is the correct answer. Arithmetic logic as well as control unit, ALU plus CU, this is the combination of CPU identify as a central processing unit, not the control processing unit. Okay, so explanation part C. Arithmetic logic and control unit along with memory unit forms a complete central processing unit, and central processing unit along with input output unit performs a computer system. Okay, so guys, it's all about the basic fundamental of memory, like a computer system and computer processing units also. Now let's discuss other problem, that is problem number 5. Problem number 6 here. Okay, see, in the problem number 6, the brain of any computer system is CPU is called the brain of a computer. Okay, so option will be like motherboard is not the brain of computer system. CPU is the brain of your computer system. Now see guys, the brain of computer system will be option C, that is central processing unit. And control unit or arithmetic unit alone cannot represent the function of a brain to compare with, neither does storage unit only, because control unit is the part of CPU. That's why this will not be your option, and arithmetic logic unit will not individually your right answer. If you combine both options, suppose your option will be A and B, then this will be correct option, but in this case option C will not be there. Okay, option C, that means option E. Option C and E both are the same guys, and this is my on option, so don't stuck with this. And now guys, let's move for another problem. That is problem number 7. Okay, see, pick the one that is used for logical operations or comparisons such as less than, equal to, or greater than, equal to. See, basically CPU is a combination of control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Okay, so the mean of arithmetic logic unit, basically arithmetic logic unit performs the addition of two numbers, that is 2 plus 3 will be 5. This operation will be performed with the help of ALU. And one thing more, ALU also perform this one also. See, this one your true and this one your true. True and true will be true. This depends upon the logical data. Okay, so guys, if you are applying operation like greater than, A is greater than B, or A is less than B, or A is less than or equal to B, so these are the basically logical operations also performed by the ALU. So this is our question, pick the one that is used for logical operations or comparisons such as less than, equal to, or greater than. Okay, so your answer will be A, arithmetic logic unit. Basically logical subunit of ALU performs all the comparisons such as less than, equal to, or greater than. Arithmetic subunit of ALU performs calculations such as addition, subtraction, and so on, that I have already discussed here. This is your written part, theory part. Keep write down in your copy, it will really beneficial for you. That's why I am giving a huge explanation here. Now guys, let's move for another problem, that is problem number 8. See, problem number 8, that is analog computer works on the supply of. You have to tell the examiner that what is the use of analog computer. Basically analog computer works on the supply of continuous electrical pulse. This is the right answer, you should know. If you have read the theory of analog computer, then you should know. Okay, so analog computers works on continuous electrical pulse. This is the basic definition of analog computer. AC, that is analog computer. And pulses and digital computers work on the discrete electrical pulse. Analog computers need to process physical quantities such as temperature, pressure, and speed, etc. If you are calculating the weather and if you are calculating the speed, it's all about speedometer, that is your speed meter. Suppose your speed that is 120, that means this one is converting your speed into computer format. That means this is the example of analog computer. Okay, if you are writing byte, then your meter, speedometer, is an example of analog computer. Okay, so guys, keep write down this theory from here. Now let's move for problem number 9. See, problem number 9, basically digital devices are, what is the means of digital devices? Digital devices, that means automobile speed meter. This is not a digital, that means if you are using numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 and this one your needle. Okay, and if you are using a digital meter, that means 1 2 3 something. In the new bikes you are getting the digital meter. This will definitely be example of this one. But digital clock is the best example of digital devices. Okay, and automobile speed meter and clock with the dial and two hands are analog devices. Speed meter works on speed of wheel and the latter works on the tension dialog spring. And kindly keep write down this explanation from here. So digital devices basically are the digital clock. Okay, now guys, let's move for problem number 10. See, basically the computer that process both analog and digital computer, that is called the hybrid computer. I have already told you in my theory portion, hybrid means the combination of analog plus digital, that means hybrid computer. Okay, so option number C will be right answer. and explanation from here. So keep write down this explanation. Analog, digital and hybrid are the three classes of computers based on the bug or principle of which computer works. Okay, hybrid computers can perform both the task of analog computers as well as hybrid computers. These computers are used in aircraft, hospitals, where measuring physical quantities are converting them into digital data to analyze the required. Suppose ECG in hospitals. Okay, this one is the best example of hybrid computer. Okay guys, I hope you understand and enjoyed with this video. So guys, keep write down this explanation part. This is really very awesome. I have made for you only. And guys, keep subscribe this channel and spread the word that is current affairs funda among your friends. And if you have any query, then do comment. Our team will definitely reply to you. Okay, so thanks guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.